Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the brand new Revolution and Roxxi Highlight Contour palette. So I'm so excited about this one because I love Makeup Revolution and I love when they do some collabs. So this one is with YouTuber Roxxsaurus. I'm sure you guys have heard of her before. So yeah, this is what the palette looks like right here. This is outer packaging for it, should I say. Really pretty packaging, like I do like it. It's really nice. It says Roxxi on the front here, and down here it says Roxxsaurus Highlight and Contour Palette. And there's 8 shades in this palette. 4 are highlights and 4 are obviously kind of contour shades. This is what the palette looks like right here. I've tried to keep it without getting all these fingerprints on the front of it because it is this mirrored packaging, but it's quite hard. But I do love the packaging. It's really nice. It has a nice rose gold mirrored front on it there, quite similar to the Soph palette. Like, I like that one. This reminds me of it. This is what the palette looks like inside. So as you can see here, we have 4 kind of contour shades and 4 highlight shades. The only thing I think is a little bit of a downfall for this palette, not like a downfall, but one thing that I would have loved to have seen is like named shades. Like, I know it's quite hard to name like contour shades and that, but like the highlight shades would probably be quite easy to name. But yeah, I don't think there's like names for it because there is like a little sheet that comes inside it, but it doesn't like have any names on it. So I would have actually liked to have seen like named shades. I just love to see the names of the shades from different brands. I know it's like so silly, but like, I don't know, it's just something that I really love. But anyway, there's no named shades in here, but like whatever. So I'm going to like swatch all of the shades in here from the contour and the highlights so you can kind of see, you know, how they look. One thing I do love about this palette is it has a huge mirror at the top there. So good. Like, I love when palettes have mirrors. For contour, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm going to apply this with my Morphe E48 brush. Okay, yeah, that's a nice shade. Like, I like that. It's giving me really nice definition there. The shade is nice, you know, it's like more of a cool tone shade, which is nice for contour. Obviously you can go in with like a warmer shade, you know, for like bronzer. But yeah, this is a really nice shade. I do like that. The powder is very nice. It actually goes on really flawlessly as well. No patchiness in it, which is good. And yeah, so far it's looking really good. I'm going to go in with my bronzer brush and pick up a little bit of this shade here. As you can see, this one has a bit more of a warmer undertone to the contour shade. So I'm going to use this to just bronze my cheeks slightly today. Okay, yeah, that shade is nice. Like, it has a bit more of a reddy undertone to when you apply it to the cheek. I'm liking that, like, so nice. Now what I'm going to do is apply some of these to my eyes because I feel like these contour shades will look really good in the crease, and then like a couple of the highlights on my lid for like a shimmery eye look. Yeah, I'm going to try that. So just taking a big fluffy blending brush and picking up that first contour shade we used on our cheeks, which is this one here, and I'm just going to apply that into my crease. Now what I'm going to do is take this shade here, which is the shade we used to bronze our cheeks. I'm going to take a little bit of that and take that also through my crease on the big fluffy blending brush. This is the Morphe R37, and I'm just going to do the exact same here just to add a little bit more definition. And then you guys know I like to apply a darker shade to my outer corner so that it flows well with my winged liner. So I'm going to take this shade here, which we haven't tried yet. It was the darkest contour colour, and I'm just going to plop that onto my outer corner. Yeah, just to give me that kind of more darker outer corner. Okay, so that is nice, and I like that you can actually use these as eyeshadows as well, you know, because normally on an everyday basis anyway I do use like bronzer and like kind of brownie shades like this for my eyes, and apply a little bit of a shimmer just on the lid part to kind of let the eyes pop. So what I'm going to do now is take a little bit of one of the highlight shades and apply that to my lids, and I'm actually liking the look of this one right here. Like that's it right there. Oh my god, that's super pigmented actually. I think this is going to look great on the lids. Like it's a gorgeous kind of champagne gold colour. Like it's going to look perfect on the lids, so I'm going to apply that onto there just with my finger. I'm just going to sweep it along. Yeah, that's really pretty. Look, see that on the lid there? Yeah, that's really nice. I do like that. Okay, so I'm now going to apply highlight, and I think I'll go with this shade here, the same one that I used for my eyes, and just run that along my cheekbones and also down my cupid's bow. And that, oh my, that is blinding. Like, hopefully you guys can see that, like, oh, that is blinding. Wow, I don't normally put this much on, but god, that is intense. Okay guys, so that's me finished, and first of all I want to say that I really do like the contour shades. Like this one and this one that I tried in the palette are absolutely gorgeous. Like I love, you know, the chiseled look that I have here. I love that I can use one really for contouring and one for bronzing. This shade I think will be really good for when I have more of a self tan going on. This shade I think maybe a bit too light, but I could probably use this maybe as a base shadow, or even just something very lightly into my crease. This highlight shade that I use is absolutely gorgeous. Like I didn't expect it to be that blinding, you know, it's really blinding. It doesn't emphasize much texture or anything like that, which is good, because that's why I'm always like feared to wear highlight because of texture. But like this one is actually really nice. Like it sort of like melts into the skin, just looks quite natural, you know, doesn't have any chunky glitter or shimmer in there. And also I can use it for highlight my inner corner, my nose and things like that, which is good. I've got it on my lid as well, which is really nice. So yeah, like overall I'm really liking the shades in here. I think it's gorgeous, and I will be getting a lot of use of this palette, especially for the contour shades. Like yeah, you'll be seeing this more on my channel, like in tutorials and things like that. I think it's really gorgeous. The powders in it are nice and flawless, you know, when they go on lovely. There's no patchiness or anything like that. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. I'd love to know what you think about the palette down below in the comments, and also if you picked up the eyeshadow palettes, because she did bring out 2 eyeshadow palettes and a contour slash highlighting palette with Revolution. So I'd love to know how the eyeshadow ones perform, so if you have them, let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, that is it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you really liked the video and enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button just down below if you're brand new to my channel, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye. Mwah.